This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can find and manage the FocusTrack settings on this device. So to start, make sure that everything is switched on, paired, connected, and enter the DJI Fly App Fly Mode or GoFly interface. From here, open Settings, select the control category, scroll down for just a tiny bit, and look for the FocusTrack settings. Here they are. Now you can change the the subject that you track between person or vehicle. Settings while tracking person or vehicle. So when it comes to person, you can change the shooting scene between standard, cycling, skiing. You can adjust the inner radius, inner height, outer height, or reset FocusTrack settings. When it comes to vehicle, you can adjust the inner radius once again, inner height, outer height. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.